here we're at Enid, Oklahoma, and one of the biggest fertilizer sites in the nation, run by Koch Fertilizer. Can you describe a little bit about this site? What is it running, and how is it part of the Case organization?
This is one of 6 facilities now that Case company owns. This is our largest fertilizer production facility, and it's one of the larger ones in the country.
Why is it so important to go into the next steps of robotics in each of your plants?
Well, I think first and foremost is safety. Anytime we can have a robot or a drone go do something that is, go up on a ladder or go look at something during the winter, instead of sending somebody out on icy ladders or putting them up in, man lifts or those sorts of things, let's go ahead and have a robot do it.
It also creates value for us in that the people that used to have to do that now are freed up to do higher value activities.
Mm-hmm.
We've got a lot of really smart people that are hungry to do just amazing things. And when they're weighed down with wasteful and mundane tasks, like go walk here and go take this manual measurement and those sorts of things, we really undercut them.
And with having the Percepto system in place, it's eliminated that. It allows the drone to facilitate that now. Just go through and generate a report, so where we just have to look at it and see. We get thermal imaging and infrared imaging, so we can actually see the tank levels and see for any anomalies within the pumps and the housing of the pumps and stuff as well.
To me, anyone in any location can watch the missions, can go back and look at them. Any data that's gathered either is automatically sent through reports, or you can just send, hey, here's the video from that.
The stakeholders themselves can see those changes and see the different reports and know that it's correct every time.
It just gets people connected to the important information to help make right decisions and to keep people safe. And the quality of information is just so much higher than you would ordinarily have.
Our security costs go down with the use of the drone.
It paid for itself during a recent freeze event when we were able to start the plant up earlier. We had better information more soon to the decision makers, and all that time we kept people out of harm's way, right? So instead of them going out in negative 21-degree weather, climbing icy ladders, going up in man lifts, we were able to go ahead and have all that information brought back to them. They're safe and warm in the building and able to make the right decisions, the right operational decisions, and the safest decisions.
Where do you see this going forward? Like, what's the next on the horizon?
I see it playing a huge part in the future. We have a goal that when we have an unplanned event, that nobody goes outside until we've secured that event and we know what's going on. Robotics can serve part of that role.
Not just flying, not just the aerial drones, but the terrestrial drone, the robotics that can either walk on treads or on wheels. The real power in the system is how those two are integrated together. So the system will decide, oh, is this the data that you need? Well, I'm going to dispatch this, whatever this is. And so it's really sensor agnostic. It just handles the mission and gives you the data, which to me is ideal, right? That's where we want to get. We're already addicted to it.
Oh man, it's going to be a pretty awesome ride,
It's not just a dream. It's actually, the tool can come in and can actually help us add value day one.